Kia ora, tēnā koutou katoa. Mainland Catch is a new app that allows recreational fishers to record catches of blue cod or rawaru in the South Island, Te Waipounamu. The aim is to provide better data which can be used when managing recreational fishing areas. Fishers are also able to record bycatch, and their catch data remains confidential. Mainland Catch is a collaboration between Fish Mainland and Plink software. This short video will show you how to install and use Mainland Catch. The first thing you need to do is download and install Mainland Catch on your phone. You can do this wherever you have cell phone reception, but you're best to do it before you go fishing when you're connected to Wi-Fi at home or at work. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you have an Android phone, go to Google Play. Search for Mainland Catch, and when you find the app with this icon, tap the Install or Get button. Tēnā atu. That's it, you're all set for your next fishing trip. When you next go fishing, before you begin, you need to start a trip in the app. If you're in a group, you only need one person to have the app. On your phone, find the Mainland Catch icon and start up the app. Click the New Trip button and follow the prompts to enter your fishing platform and the names of all the fishers on the trip with you. That's it, you're all set. Kara whiua. When you catch your first fish, or ika, tap the Add Fish button. Choose the fish species and let us know if it's a keeper or not. If it is, take a photo of your catch, enter the length of the fish, the method you used to catch it, and who the fisher was. If you have a measuring mat, take a photo with your fish lined up on the mat to show its length. Whakahuatia te ika. If you aren't keeping the fish, tap the Return Fish button. If you are returning the ika, you can skip most of the data entry steps so you can quickly get back to fishing. If you would still like to take a photo, we recommend that you do it as quickly as possible to get the fish safely back in the water. If you observe any marine mammals or notable wildlife, you can record the details in Mainland Catch. Simply tap the Add Sighting button, take a photo, and enter a description. That's pretty much it. You can go back and check out the details for any fish you have caught or sightings you made by simply tapping on the relevant line on your current trip screen. If you indicated you kept the ika, you will be able to add additional photos, or if you subsequently returned the fish, you should tap the Return Fish button. The last thing you need to do when you're all done is tap the End Trip button. This is important, as you can only be on one trip at a time, so you won't be able to start another trip until you do this. That's it. We hope you enjoy using Mainland Catch. Kia pai te haere, tight lines, ka kite anō.